Here's how to give out your Wi-Fi details to guests and family without actually giving them the details. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Tony and this is Tuesday's Tips. What we're going to discuss today is how to generate a QR code so you can get your guests and family members onto your Wi-Fi that doesn't actually give them the details. But before we do that, if this is your first time here, then please think about hitting that subscribe button. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you very much. I really do appreciate this support. So we are getting into that festive period right now, and with that brings lots of guests, whether that be family or friends. Maybe there's lots of parties going on. Obviously, this depends on your local restrictions due to the current situation, but I'm sure we'll be through it soon, and this will be a great tool to have no matter what the situation. So what is it? Well, it's a platform that allows you to create a QR code that will automatically connect the user by scanning that QR code to your Wi-Fi. You simply enter your Wi-Fi details into the platform, it generates a code, and you can do what you want with it. Let's take a look. Okay, all you need to do is go to this website. The address is there. It's simply wifi.org. There is a link in the description, so just click on that and go to it. It's a pretty simple website. This is what you'll find. Now, the only details you need are your SSID and your password for your Wi-Fi, and just double check which encryption you're using, although most modern Wi-Fi networks now use WPA WPA2. And it's just a simple case of entering in your SSD. Now, you need to find that just to make sure that you're entering it in correctly. Although I would advise anybody when they set up their Wi-Fi with a new router or anything, you change the SSD to something of your own and you change the password. Do not use the provided SSD and password. So let's say for the sake of this video, my SSID is Tony Dawson Tech. That's my SSID. I have checked, it's WPA WPA2, and my password for the Wi-Fi is password1. So once you've put in your SSID and your Wi-Fi password, you simply click on generate. So this is now the QR code that's been generated with your Wi-Fi details. You've got different ways you can use it. If you click on save, it will download it as a PNG. You can then open it up like this and print it out, stick it in a frame, stick it around your house on the wall, make a little business card so you can give out. All this does is it stops people asking for the password and getting it wrong, because again, if you've got your password set up correctly, it should be long and complex. And if it is long and complex, then it's a bit of a nose to tell people character by character. You can simply hand out a business card or have this printed on a wall and let them scan it. When they do scan it, it will come up with an option to connect. And all they do is once they've scanned it, they click on connect and it will connect to the Wi-Fi. Very clever, really good, really easy. You can also export it or simply print it out as it is, but the best option is just to save so you can manipulate it and do what you want with it. There you go, really easy. Any questions, let me know. There you go, it's a great idea, quick and easy to do, and it's secure. Like I said in the video, there's many ways you can give out that QR code. Let me know in the comments how you give out your Wi-Fi details to friends and family. Do you do it any differently? If you enjoyed that, please give me a like. If you fancy supporting the channel in a different way, think about buying me a coffee. If you haven't subscribed yet, that's up here. And here's another couple of videos if you want to carry on watching. Guys, until the weekend, have a great week and I'll see you then. Bye-bye.